Two-strokes aren't dead, they're thriving. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 proves that lightweight, nimble motocross bikes still have a vital place in racing. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're exploring Yamaha's legendary 125 that continues to create champions and passionate riders. Design. The YZ125 maintains Yamaha's iconic racing blue plastics with updated graphics that look sharp on the starting gate. The bodywork is slim and purposeful, allowing maximum rider movement during aggressive riding. Yamaha's kept the design clean and functional, focusing on what matters most: performance. The compact frame and minimum bodywork contribute to the bike's featherweight feel. Every component serves a purpose, from the aluminum frame to the carefully positioned radiators. Performance. The heart of the YZ125 is its legendary 124cc liquid-cooled two-stroke engine. This power plant delivers instant throttle response with that distinctive two-stroke bark that never gets old. The power valve system broadens the power band, making it usable across various skill levels, while still rewarding aggressive riding. Acceleration is explosive, and the engine's character teaches riders throttle control and technique. The lightweight chassis makes the bike incredibly flickable, perfect for developing skills or attacking tight track sections. Features and technology. Yamaha equips the YZ125 with quality KYB suspension components, offering excellent adjustability. The twin-spar aluminum frame provides rigidity where needed. Simple maintenance keeps costs down and riding time up. Conclusion. That's the 2026 Yamaha YZ125. Still the best 125 two-stroke? Share your opinion in the comments. Enjoyed this review? Smash that like button, share with your moto crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more dirt bike content. See you at the track!